Welcome to our channel. My name is Kent Leach, founder of smartainvestors.com, and you found our YouTube channel. I just want to take a moment to tell you a few things about me and the Smart A Investors. First of all, you've got to be wondering, what's a Smart A Investor? And that's a great question, because when I created it, I wasn't sure I wanted to lead with that. But Smart A Investors are savvy individuals who are out there trying to grow both their portfolios and their retirement income, and they're trying to do it in a way that's non-Wall Street. Listen, Wall Street, we've all been indoctrinated to use our 401ks and use investments that have been whitewashed through Wall Street's filter. And if you study it enough, you'll realize that most high net worth individuals and ultra wealthy people only have about 20% of their wealth on Wall Street. Why is it that everybody else is blindly putting 80% of their wealth, if not more, on Wall Street? So a Smart A investor is someone who has woken up to that fact that if they want to grow their wealth, they need to get away from Wall Street and get onto Main Street. So what are some alternatives to Wall Street? Well, most people know about real estate, but alternatives are not just real estate. But we do look at real estate assets that cash flow, like apartment buildings, mobile home parks, self-storage facilities, office buildings, medical and dental office. We look at parking lots. We look at any type of real estate, but we also look at things that are a little bit more innovative, like self-storage or short-term rentals. And we look at lending, private lending and hard money lending. We also look at things that are super tax advantaged, like oil and gas deals. So alternatives are where people put their money to cash flow while the rest of their money is stuck on Wall Street. My goal is to teach my group of Smart A investors how to find deals, vet those deals, and then invest in those deals so that they can skyrocket their portfolio returns. Now, who am I working with? More than likely, you're a high net worth individual or someone who is a high earner, a professional, or an entrepreneur, or maybe a C-suite executive. Those are the people that have the extra money to do this. You've also got to be able to free some of your money from Wall Street and the government-sponsored plans like 401ks and IRAs. You don't have to get it all away from there, but if we look at the model, the ultra-wealthy have 80% of their wealth off of Wall Street. My goal is to get investors into more of a 50-50 type of plan, where half of their money is still in a 401k or other government-sponsored plan, and the other half is on Main Street. It's in assets. It's hard, tangible assets that you may drive by every day. And what I do is I don't teach people how to go buy these assets and run them themselves. That's a waste of their time. What I do is put people into a group of Smart A investors who look at deals together, who vet deals together, and then who go into deals and get really preferred economics as investors in the asset. There's so many benefits to investing as a group. So on this channel, I'm going to lay it all out there. I'm teaching everything I know about alternative investments, how to vet them, and how to find them. The problem is I've found that most of my ideal clients, they just don't have the time to do all this work themselves. So I created a fund, a smart fund, where we go and bring those assets to them. And I let my investors pick and choose which assets they want to invest in while they pass on the ones that they're not interested in. It's really the greatest, biggest no-brainer in the history of Earth. They get to pick and choose assets in a fund. They do one big set of paperwork, one PPM, and that's it. When I bring an asset along, there's a 1 or 2 page document to participate in that asset. And if I bring one along that they don't like, they don't have to invest. It's really innovative, and most of my investors absolutely love it. They love it because their returns are skyrocketing, and they're seeing what happens when you get your assets in gear and get away from Wall Street and get onto Main Street. So I'm so excited for you to join this channel. Please subscribe and start watching our videos, and please interact in the comments below. And tell your friends about Smart A investors. We're out to change the way that people invest in alternative investments. I want to make it so simple that it's easier to invest in alternatives than it is to choose a mutual fund at a stock company. And that's what I'm so excited about. Let's revolutionize investing Become a Smart A investor today and join us on the channel.